It's 9 a.m. And how did everyone sleep? Good! We're gonna go have some brunch, and we've got a fun-packed day today. We're gonna do so many things to try and see everything while we're here.
Alright guys, so this is day 2 of our time in York, and it's about, what's the time?
9:30?
9:30. It's about 9:30 and we're walking through the city and it's quiet. There's no one here and we like it like that. But also, look at this, blue sky. Blue sky, can you believe it? We can't believe it. We thought it was going to be like cold, cloudy, raining, overcast, all of that, but today has got blue skies and we love it.
Yeah, blue sky.
A bit of a dilemma here. What's the problem, Eden? Eden's not what, but the problem is that today is eat out, help out. It's because everything's half price.
And it's bank holiday.
Yeah, and it's bank holiday today, so every restaurant is fully booked. Nothing available. We want some breakfast and we've been walking around for ages trying to get some breakfast and no luck.
We finally found a restaurant to eat in after 2 hours of walking around the city trying to find somewhere. We found somewhere. We're here. We're ready. We're happy.
Is that it? For the whole day?
Yeah, we'll get you some.
Ah.
I held a Harrisburg. I held a white owl. I held a pelican falcon. Wait, no, not a pelican. Yeah, a falcon. Sorry.
Nice and calm. So we are outside Cliffords Castle, which is magnificent. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's also really sad because it's just a reminder that in the name of Christianity, over 150 Jews were ran in here to seek safety, and a mob formed outside, and rather than being killed by the mob, they all decided to kill themselves. So it's really, really sad what actually took place here. We have walked for about how many hours today, guys?
Like 2.
2? More like 10 hours. We've been walking all day, all around the city. I think we can officially say we've seen York, and it's definitely an underrated city. It's really, really cool. What was your favourite part?
Eagle.
Holding a falcon. What was your favourite part?
And holding a white owl.
was your favourite? I enjoyed the Viking tour where we got to see where and how Vikings used to live. That was really cool. Now we are gonna go rest because we're tired, ready to rest.